do you keep fit inside and out? In this video, I am going to share to you how I keep my body healthy inside and out. I am 57, and if you want to know about how I do my healthy living, stay tuned and keep on watching. My question for the day is, how do I keep myself fit inside and out? At my age, now I am 57, I have no maintenance medicine for sickness. I only take vitamins. What I am taking is the multivitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, the evening primrose, and sometimes I buy collagen tablets and collagen drink if I have a means of buying it, because it's very expensive. And of course, I am doing the face yoga for about 30 years, because I started doing the yoga in my late 30s. In my late 20s. And when I go out or when I am inside the house, I am applying the sunscreen on my face, on my neck, and on my arms, hands. And about my drinks, sometimes I take coffee because coffee contains antioxidants. But if you cannot drink coffee, much better if you take green tea. And no to soft drinks, no to any energy drinks, because it contains a lot of sugar and it can ruin your health. And about my food, I take chicken meat once or twice a week only. About the red meat, which is the beef, I usually refrain that, but we eat once a week, every Sunday, of course, if we have a means of buying that food, because beef is very expensive. And you know, in this pandemic time, and not also in this pandemic time, but in the previous days, we cannot afford to buy beef every day, or sometimes no beef all the week. And about sleeping habits, I sleep at least 5 to 8 hours a day, because when we lack sleep, our mind cannot function. And we can see that if you are lacking in sleep, your eyes looks haggard and your face will not look glowing, and you can feel tiredness. So have a sleep. Me, I have a sleep 5 to 8 hours a day. And about my exercising, I usually do the yoga. Yoga is stretching of our muscles, not unlike doing the workout, because in doing the workout, we are developing our muscles. In yoga, we are stretching the muscles, because as we age, our muscles become weak. So the tendency of our muscles when we are old, it becomes sag, especially in our face, in our arms, in our neck. So yoga is the best exercise for me. And every day I usually walk 15 to 20 minutes a day, because it's good if you perspire a lot, because when you perspire a lot, the sickness in your on outside your body, it can be released through perspiration. So it's better to walk or run, or sometimes when you do yoga or workout, you perspire a lot. And of course, the healthy life begins in ourselves. We must connect ourselves to the world. How can we do that? We pray, we meditate, and love yourself, because as the song goes, or the song lyrics, learning to love yourself is the greatest gift of all. Love yourself first, or love God and then love yourself, because it's hard to be in case of sickness, or in anxiety, sadness. Just if you have problems, give it to the Lord, give it to the universe, and sleep a lot. And one thing I am doing is I take vitamins. Of course, I mentioned it to you. And then sunscreen, and then yoga stretching, because I have here a note. So what is the summary? Healthy living, inside and out. So if you enjoy my video for today, I request to click the notification bell button so that you can be notified on my next upload video. I see you next time. God bless you, and namaste. Bye.